Hi friends, welcome to our channel. In this session, we'll learn about trigonometry question and answers. So we'll learn everything regarding trigonometry, how to solve a particular given question in any way. Okay, so here is the first example I'm telling you. So I'm reading question for you. If tan x is equal to 3 by 4 x is an acute angle, we need to find sin x and cos x. We have a formula for sin x in terms of tan is tan x by 1 by root 1 plus tan square x. So we already having what is tan x and all, so I'm just substituting it, and after that we got the value of sin x. So we got the value of sin x over here. Similarly, we can also find the value for cos x. So for cos x in terms of tan, we have formula called 1 by root 1 plus tan square theta or x. Okay, by just substituting the values we'll get the solution we are looking for. Okay, when it comes to second question, so we need to solve this cos 225 degrees. So 225 lies in third quadrant, so we can write 225 as 180 plus 45 or 225 minus 45, like that. So that's what I'm doing. Earlier I already explained a particular separate video regarding this kind of costs and sin terms. So if you're a person missed out this video, just look at this. So I have taken 225 as 180 plus 45. So instead of cos 225, I'm writing it as cos 180 plus 45. So this value is minus sin 45 degrees. Okay, so why we have taken this thing is like sin 180 plus theta can be considered as minus sin theta. So we know the value of sin 45, it's 1 by root 2. So in other way also we can do this, like we can write 225 as 270 degrees minus 45 degrees. From this we can get the solution we are looking for. Okay, so here is the third problem I'm telling on this particular topic. Is it like cosecant of 780 degrees? So these questions will repeatedly ask in your examinations. Okay, so here 780 degrees in the sense the angle is greater than 360 degrees. So we can write it as 780 degree as 2 into 360 degrees plus 60 degrees. Okay, from this, so we can simply ignore the value 2 into 360. Okay, directly we can take 780 degrees as 60 degrees. Okay, that's what I'm writing over here. So when angle is above 360 degrees and if it is multiple of 360, we can neglect it directly. Okay, from this 780 degrees, the value of 780 degrees is going to be 60 degree. So we need to find cosecant of 60 degrees. So we know the value of cosecant of 60 degrees. It is called 2 by root 3. So this is the simplest solution. Okay, so here is the next problem I'm telling you. So we need to evaluate cos 15 degrees. So 15 degrees can be expressed in terms of standard angles. So 15 degrees can be written as 45 degrees minus 30 degrees or 60 degree minus 45 degrees. So if we substitute the values, cos 45 minus 30 is going to be, so here we can use cos A minus B formula. By using this formula, we can simply write down the thing we are looking for. Okay, cos A minus B is nothing but cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So I given formula, all formulas related to this in previous videos, just check that. So by simplifying we get the solution we are looking for. Okay, so the next question is like prove that cos 15 degrees minus sin 15 degrees. This was the question they have given. So we can simply solve this by following few simple steps. So we need to use the identity cos c minus cos t. So we know this formula, minus 2 sin c plus t by 2 sin c minus d by 2. Okay, here sin 15 degrees is nothing but sin 90 minus 75, we can take it. And if sin 90 minus 75 is nothing but cos 75, by substituting the required or by following few simple steps, we can easily prove that cos 15 minus sin 15 is equal to 1 by root 2. So here is the next problem I'm giving you. So is it like a small substituted kind of problem? We can easily resolve this. So here they given 4 sin a is equal to 3 cos a. We need to find the value of 12 sin a minus 7 cos a and 8 7 a plus 3 cos a. Okay, so that's what I'm writing over here. They given sin a by cos a is nothing but they given directly 3 by 4. From this we can divide numerator and denominator by cos a. With that we can get, so by simply following few steps we get the solution we are looking for. So I hope you are understanding the steps I'm writing over here. So if you have any problem, just try to comment so that I can resolve your query. Okay, so the next question is we need to evaluate 5 cos square 60 plus 4 secant square 30 minus tan square 45 by sin square 30 degree plus cos square 30 degree. We need to resolve this. Okay, so before going ahead, please do subscribe to this channel if you are a new visitor to this channel, and also share this video presentation to your friends and colleagues. Okay, so my approach to solve this question is very simple. We know all the identities of this cos square 60 secant square 30 and all. I'm just taking those values and resolving this thing in a very easy way. Okay, so this was the thing. So first of all, I simplified the numerator part, and second I'm simplifying the denominator part. For numerator I got 67 by 12 and the denominator I'm getting 1. Okay, so answer is going to be 67 by 12. So the next question is this, and also tell me in the comments what is the difficulty level of these problems I have told you in this chapter, so then I'm able to understand what you are thinking and all. Okay, just try to comment the difficulty level of these problems I have taken from various resources. So the next question is, if tan a plus b is equal to root 3 and tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root 3, we need, where a and b are acute angles, we need to find a and b. Okay, so tan a plus b is equal to root 3 in the sense a plus b is equal to 60 and a minus b equal to 30. By using this simple a plus b and a minus b, we can easily get the a and b values. Okay, so a is equal to 45 and similarly we will also get the value of b. Okay, it is called 15. So I hope you like this video presentation. If you like this presentation, do give thumbs up to this video and do share this presentation to your friends and colleagues. Okay, thanks for watching.